What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting updates from the southeast, from security in Enugu state to culture in Abia, and even a big business move from Obi Kubana himself. Oh yes, so let's dive right in. First up is Enugu State. The morale is so high at the Forest Guard training camp as we speak because Governor Peter Mbah has completely rejigged the Enugu State Forest Guard with new incentives, fresh energy, and a clear mandate to secure farmlands and protect our forests. And here's the good news: fresh recruitment is coming soon. That means more boots on the ground to keep Ndi Enugu safe. No more terrorist attacks, no more fear. Farmers can go back to their lands with confidence, knowing that they are fully protected, knowing the forests are being watched closely. Security remains Governor Peter Mbah's #1 priority, and it's showing now.
Go downstairs, come back. Then. On our way now? Yes, sir. Let's go. Odopa.
No cost like where we take inside this.
No,
inside this. Maybe there is a system here. There is no pathway. Are you sure? I like to check inside.
If you go all one okay.
That's why I want to do channel work.
This
can be work.
24th of on Sunday we did bush. I say on Sunday we did bush.
There is a road here, very big tunnel here. That can reach very fast.
But it's blocked, right?
There is block. Okay, road there. Who come block that?
Nature blocker. Nature blocker. There's a road here too now. Come.
Road here.
Who get touched there? No, it's not far.
Like, what is done?
Bring that light, come check this thing for me. Come check what's in the cover there. Take my camera, go there. With the light back. Video no go. No, that way. Wait. Move that stone. Maybe there's very bad on there.
Move on. Wait, light down inside. Okay. Light down inside. Like it. Okay.
Go to the entire. Go to the entire. Who touched there? Go within the story. That place.
Okay, wait. Come. Flash it. Waiting with this one. You need to come on. Wait, waiting, you can't remove this fire. Shift this thing. Big gun, remove that.
It is strong.
It is strong. I'm going to put it on.
Let's move over to Abia State. Governor Alex Otti and his team just approved a new policy. This one will shock you. And this one is all about culture and pride. From now on, government officials and civil servants will be rocking traditional outfits to promote indigenous craftsmanship. Here is how it works. Every first Monday of the month, members of the State Executive Council will appear in traditional attire, while every Friday, civil servants across the state will do the same. According to Commissioner for Information, Prince Oke Kanu, this policy is about more than just dressing nice. It's about patronizing local fabrics, supporting indigenous designers, and strengthening Abia's cultural identity. And in his words, we are aware there's an ongoing cultural revolution in the state, and this is one way to strengthen that revolution. Pretty cool, right? It's a simple but very powerful way to blend governance with culture, and at the same time boost the local economy. And finally, let's talk about Obi Kubana. Yes, the Igbo Billionaire is back to the news again, this time with his latest business venture, Vaib Nations. If you have not heard, Vaib is a brand for premium gadgets and phone accessories. We are talking about speakers, wireless speakers, power banks, chargers, and many more. So recently, Obi Kubana opened a brand new Vaib outlet in Abia, in Abia State, right in the Eyimba city. The Vaib wireless speaker has already been making waves, and with this new outlet, the brand is expanding its footprint in the southeast. Now remember, the launch of Vaib itself was a big event in Benin City, and Obi Kubana has been personally involved in promoting it. This new Abba outlet shows is serious about growing the brand. And honestly, it's always exciting to see Nigerian entrepreneurs pushing into new industries and creating value locally. So to wrap this up, Enugu is tightening security, Abba is boosting culture and local pride, and Obi Kubana is taking his empire into the tech gadget space. That's a lot happening in just 1 week in the southeast. What do you think about these moves?
I have come to launch my own brand. Bye.